Hello there. Are you ready to turn your Instagram into a business growth machine? Stick around and I'll show you how to use your stories, carousels, reels to help you crush your targets in just 90 days. Instagram isn't just for pretty pictures or sharing what you ate today. It's where businesses can really shine. Today, I'm excited to show you how you can use your Reels, Carousel stories to not only boost your engagement, but to actually grow your business, whether you're just starting out or you're looking to level things up. Now, let's chat about why Reels, Carousels, and Stories are so powerful. You see, these are not just tools, but they're your secret weapons on Instagram. Each one grabs your viewers' attention in different ways, and the best part, Instagram currently loves them too, as they keep users on the app longer. And you love them as well, as they will give you more views, shares, and more growth. You have many different options when it comes to making reels for your Instagram account. You may choose from the recommended for you section, or you may choose from the trending section. All these will provide you a list and a number of trending templates that have currently been used by other users who are getting results. Here is one that I'm going to choose from the trending section. First, I will add in my visuals, and then I'll add in some suitable text. Note that I created these visuals beforehand in Canva, just so that this process might be faster. Now I'm going to move on to the next frame, add in my text, and choose a section. I will now use the typewriter option for this next frame, so that it appears as if I am typing on screen when people play this reel. I like to resize my text frames just to make sure that they fit on the actual slides where they're supposed to appear on. You may also choose to drag out all your text so that it shows on even more than one slide, if that is what you should wish for. The same also applies to the music. Let's just resize this particular frame because it is too long for a last one. We do not want this to be too long. Now that we are done with the actual reel design, we're going to move on to our caption. Write whatever caption that you want using a nice catchy hook at the beginning. You may also use the polls and prompts feature. Now, if you're going to be using the prompt feature, be sure of your caption, as you cannot edit it later on after publishing your reel. Polls are self-explanatory. Ask a question or two. These are really good for engagement in present days. Going to add in appropriate hashtags. The debate as to whether you should use 5, 10, or all 30 hashtags is an ongoing one. Just do whatever works for your brand. I like to play it safe between 15 to 25 hashtags at a time, although I've been known to max out at 30 depending on the content and the brand that I'm developing. Do a final check before you publish, add your location, as well as tagging anybody that you want to be there. If you're cross-promoting to Facebook, now is also the time to select that. Make sure that your Reels are also eligible for remixing, and that also helps improve the reach of your content. And that's it. Quick tip. When you save your Reels to your phone, they save without the music due to copyright restrictions. So always use Instagram's music library when you're editing your videos. Carousels are making a big comeback, and honestly, they're perfect for sharing a ton of info without overwhelming your followers. You can pack up to as many as 20 slides into just one post, and you can use them for showcasing a product range or even providing step-by-step guides. I also love that you can mix both static posts as well as video material into your single carousel post, which is mighty amazing. Now, with carousels, you can get really creative. Think step-by-step guides, product highlights, or just a fun mix of visuals that keep people swiping on your profile. You may use the same methods that we used to develop the reel For your carousels. For carousels now, all you have to do is select specific slides that you want to be showing up in your final content, add some music, and voila, we're done.
Stories are where the magic of everyday interaction happens. They're quick and easy and perfect for those behind the scenes moments, quick updates, and polls that really connect with your audience. Stories might disappear after 24 hours, but their impact may last much, much longer than that, especially if they encourage your followers to share or engage with your content. Quick tip: use highlight covers. Watch this video how to make them using Canva. Use highlight covers to actually categorize the stories that you'd want people to continue watching long after the 24-hour cycles. This may be stories that you filmed from weeks ago, months ago, or even years, depending on how long Instagram keeps the stories feature going on.
You may use the same process of developing reels and carousels to make your stories, only that stories are less polished and you can just pick up your phone and grab a snapshot or a short little video of whatever it is that you're doing behind the scenes of building a brand. These provide a great way for people to get to learn more about yourself or about your team and everything else that goes into making your brand the wonderful experience that it is to work with. You may want to also add in fun stickers, polls, and the latest Add Yours features to get your followers interacting. The stories section is also a great way to be testing out the latest features that Instagram has released, as these will not spoil your general feed.
Before we wrap up, let's talk about keeping the momentum going with a little help from automation. And no, it wouldn't be a modern day Instagram video without talking about automated tools and perhaps a little bit of help from AI. Now, tools like ManyChat can handle those repetitive tasks for you so that you can continue to create all that great content that your audience loves. And remember, consistency is your best friend on Instagram, and staying active keeps you in your followers' minds. Think of automation as your personal Instagram assistant, keeping the conversation going even when you're off doing other things, like enjoying your life, actually running your business, or whatever it is that strikes your fancy. And there you have it, your roadmap to start using Reels, carousels, and stories to grow your business on Instagram. I'm excited to see how you'll be putting all these tips into action, and I know you're going to be great. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to grow your business using social media. Until next time, it's your time to grow.